say the tear down is real, the tear down is real. We've had to eliminate all of my stuff. Boy, we're going to have to dig deep. Because this bike has so many wires going so many different directions. Boy, I'm glad for modern day advances how I get down now. Because this bike, man, it had wires and plugs from, I shook my head at what I did. But this was done back in, 8 years ago or so. But, yeah, we about to work it out. Not today, though. I'm tired. Gotta go. We out.
You know I can get you wet. We can hit the matinee and go to lunch at Nova. But you on your vegetarian, so I ordered tofu. It's not gonna lie, you know that I had to pop my peas. I'm from the game, I'm wavy like the 7 Seas. I can do it nice and slow, I can pick up speed. When I leave, your pillow gon' smell like some Creed. And you should damn weird, Birkin back here and drop a...
Well, rewired. We went ahead and relocated that amp. I thought it was gonna be a little bit of an issue, but we got it up out of there and moved it to other locations. Cleaned up the other side. Got your tour pack disconnect still in motion. All we can say is this.
Wifey material, the top one I wanna be married. Got an amazing Louboutin and purse collection. I gotta pull you aside and ask you one question.
Money's Car Stereo, a little money in the background over there. And we on to the next one. Next!
The first time I heard about you was YouTube. I be on YouTube a lot.
Yeah.
And I was YouTubing races on the set.
Yeah.
And you was like one of the main people recording everything.
Yeah.
Back in the day though.
Okay. So what made you decide with the blue and the black? What was it? Well, this was you or it came like this?
I got it painted myself.
Okay.
The color I picked it like that.
Yeah.
It's from the San Jose Sharks. I like San Jose Sharks.
Okay.
I just didn't put the San Jose graphics on there.
Yeah.
I'm not from San Jose.
Yeah. So no need to go that far into it because theme bikes sometimes can be themed out. So if you do it like you did it right here, it's a classic. It can stay like this and be current. It's not doing Skittles or sharks on it. What if the Sharks losing? Now you got people talking shit to you all the time. You know, so, or if you're a Dallas Cowboy fan because you got the blue and you got the gray, oh, the niggas are losing. All you needed was a star right there on the front.
Yeah.
But, so, you just do it so you ain't beholden to nobody. It's you. Looking good. You got a lithium battery or something? I see a special charger going over there. Okay. All right, cool. Let me get out your way. Yeah, y'all. He in there. Little video ladder. Hey, I see you got Screaming Eagle and little D&D. This ain't little. This is a fact. I mean, the Borzilla here.
Yep.
Yeah. I had a little segment the other day about wearing shorts. You don't want to wear no shorts with that pipe right there.
Oh yeah.
That pipe will. Gotcha. Okay, so you're gonna basically to ride him up and sit on the bike and come down the center and drag both feet. You want me to do it or you got it? Just make sure you're neutral. And keep the tire in the middle. We got you. And rock it. Keep that wheel straight. Just let both feet slide. See what I'm saying? Now that is something you can handle by yourself. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. See? Stop. You're going too far. Okay. Yeah, so that like that, see, had he not had the big one, it's a scenario of get on the bike and hold on to it, step off and hold on to it. But once your arms get a click like that, it's gonna be bad. Okay, well let's unstrap that on there. Just press the button, it'll pull on free. Okay. Money's Car Stereo, just letting you see what I see. I see Road Kings in the future. Gotta go. Woo, over here running on E. Yeah, we gonna stop for the moment. Tomorrow we're gonna get some sound. And yeah. But for now, tonight, I'm finna lay it down. Wade's Car Stereo. I'm only one man. I can only do so much. I'm out. Doing a little test and tuning. I don't own the rights to this song.
What is deep is deeper than sea. So only knows this kind of vibe is stronger in time. Won't go wanna know this. Now is the time and here's
Just testing a few things. You know, just $19 for that dance.
but I only got $1 for a cigarette. I got $19 for a left day.
Once again, I don't own the rights to this song. But we're gonna let it go like this.
But I only got $1 for a cigarette. Get it good
You going up or down?
I can't stay too long.
Like I said, we've been going all day. Almost got stuff worked out. It's getting close.
All my life, been grinding all my life. Sacrifice, hustle pay the price. Want a slice, got to roll the dice. That's why all my life, I've been grinding all my life. All my life, been grinding all my life. Sacrifice, hustle pay the price. For the big city, I did the gangster for all my kids. On the PYT. Put it down for all the metal ladies.
We got it in there. Well, compared to how you showed up, but you had nothing, so I'll definitely now use something. I'm just saying, you know, keep it real with you. But with every job that works out my door, this comes with the package, man. Here you go.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, pop that open, man. Let's see. Let the world see what you got. Let them see what you see. And we're gonna get you back up on the ramp today. We ain't gonna send you up there solo. It's official. You are in the game now. And we got you. Wait. Yeah. And another one out the door, and we on to the next one, y'all. Got to keep it moving forward. Hey, there's a lot of sayings that go with this. I'm just gonna leave it where it is. Y'all finish it up. We gotta go. Okay, well now we're gonna load it back up on the truck just to show y'all that it wasn't a fluke, that he got it under control. Now if we negotiate this turn right here, we're gonna find out. Just like that. Tell you, he brought that rinky dinky with him again, but you know we couldn't do that. It ain't 3 of me to help hold that up. But y'all saw how he worked the clutch hand and the clutch and the gas. If you stall with a single whap, it's treacherous. If he would have stalled on a double, all he had to do was put the feet on the brake and put put one foot on the ground, because he got enough space to work it out. So, what I tell people, if you got action at it, go to your local Harbor Freight and get you a wheel chock. That'll prevent you from denting your bed. As I pointed out earlier, he dented it in because you got to come in hot with the short one and hit the back of the truck. But if you got a wheel chock, you can put it on the bike, on the truck, and it will be stable all the time. Mine just lives in the truck. You know, it's not even bolted in, but you run it up in here, and it clicks in. Bam! Strap the bike in the chock straight to the wall. That's all today's helpful hint from Money's Car Stereo. Just letting y'all see what I see. Just let each one teach one. So how many straps you gonna use to hold him down with?
3.
3? Where you putting your 3 at, man?
I put one around the forks
Yeah.
on each side, and I put
We
one to the
talking
back tire.
up here or down there?
At the bottom.
At the bottom. Okay. And one in the back. Where's the back one gonna go? What's
Through the tire.
through the tire? Interesting. Okay. Me myself personally, I like to run 4 because if you run 2 in the front, that's for sure. The one in the back, usually I run 2 snatching the bike forward. Because I've noticed in my past, when I wrap one around the tire, it tends that the bike, for some reason, dances, it moves. Even if you run through the tire, loop it around it, and exit over there, it seems like it dances. So what I do is I come off the crash bar right here, and I yank it right into that same hook.
Okay.
So I'm pulling it forward, everybody's pulling forward. And it usually keeps it straight. This is something,
I'm gonna do that right now.
get it. If you got 4, but I will get that a
Got
try.
4. I'm gonna do it right now.
And see how that works out for you. Yeah, I say Money's Car Stereo. You know, we just each one teach one. Just throw my ideas out there. If it doesn't work for you, hey, you know, at least you knew, and we go from there. But worked for me, so I'm just passing it on to a young man. Gotta go.